Friend, we are going to now chapter 2 is matter around us notes. First we have pure substance. Pure substance. Pure substance are elements or compounds. They are made of only one kind of entity. They cannot be broken down into simpler entities by chemical or physical methods. They have a fixed composition. As an example, diamond and carbon dioxide mixture. Mixtures are formed by just mixing two or more pure substance compounds such that each substance retains its own chemical entity. Types of mixture homogeneous mixture, a mixture which has a uniform composition throughout is called a homogeneous mixture or solution. Example: sugar in water, salt in water. Heterogeneous mixture, a mixture which contains physically distinct parts and has a non-uniform composition is called a heterogeneous mixture. Example: mixture of salt and iron filling, sand and sugar. Alloys. Alloys are homogeneous mixture of metals or a mixture of metal and another element that cannot be separated into their components by physical methods. Example: steel, a combination of iron metal and carbon non-metal. देखते हैं दूसरा एग्जाम्पल, bronze, a combination of copper metal and tin metal. Brass, a mixture of copper metal and zinc metal. Concentration of solution. Solubility. Solubility is the property showing the ability of a given substance which is the solute to dissolve in a solvent. The resulting solution is called saturated solution. Factors affecting solubility. Temperature. Solubility increases with temperature except gas. Pressure. For the majority of solid and liquid solids, pressure does not affect solubility. The solubility of gas is directly proportional to the pressure of this gas. Solution and its properties. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Example: soda, water soda. A solution has two components. पहला, solvent, the components of the solution that dissolve the other component in it. Usually the components present in larger amount is called the solvent. Solute, the component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent, usually present in. देखते हैं अगला पेज। Lesser quantity is called the solute. Properties of solution. The particles of solution are smaller than 1 nanometer, 10 minus power minus 9 in diameter, which cannot be seen by naked eyes. They do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution. That is, they do not show Tyndall effect. So the path of light is not visible in a solution. The solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Concentration of solution. Saturated solution. When no more amount of solute can be dissolved in a solution at a given temperature, it is called a saturated solution. Unsaturated solution. When more amount of solute can be dissolved in a solution at a given temperature, it is called a saturated solution. Solubility. The amount of the solute present in the saturated solution at the given temperature is called its solubility. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount, mass or volume of solution. Also, the amount of solute dissolved in a given mass or volume of solvent is called concentration of solution. Two methods of finding concentration of a solution: mass by mass percentage of a solution, mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, mass by volume percentage of a solution, mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Suspension and its properties. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of the medium. Properties of suspension. It is a heterogeneous mixture. Particles of suspensions are visible to the naked eye. Size of the particles is greater than 100 nanometer. Through the filter paper, solute and solids get separated.